Lucy, what are you snoring like that for, girl? Huh? What are you snoring, girl?